Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up. Don't mind the noise. My neighbors can be crazy. This early they're playing music. So I just woke up, guys. Today is Friday. It's the weekend. Like each time it's weekend like this, I just have this relaxed feeling. Although sometimes during the weekends I'm always busy, by the way, sometimes do, but I've checked all my appointments. I don't really have much appointment this weekend, so yeah, I decided to say, okay, I'm going to vlog. Okay, just show you guys how my weekends look like, what I do. So yeah, today is Friday. We're going to start the vlog here. So yeah, I still have my braids on. I can't wait to take it off. I need to do something else. Yeah, so I think after this week, that's what's going to happen. I'm going to take off my braids, then that's it. Maybe do something else on myself. I make my own hairs, by the way. Yeah, but not really braids. I don't really braid much, but I do a lot of things from wigging, weaves, and all that. Yeah. All right, guys. So, yeah, come with me and see how my weekend goes. guys, good morning. So today is Sunday, and yeah, I'm going out to get some things that I need at home. I'll be busy throughout the week, so I will not be doing that. So I need to get everything I want. I just came back from church, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to ShopRite to get meat, especially meat. I need meat and get some other things probably. Then yeah, I'll be heading home just to relax. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Come with me, I guess. All right, guys. As you can see, everywhere is just dry. Like, I came here very early, very early, guys. I can only see like few people, few cars. I don't even think they are open. I don't think these people are open though. Bye.